Hi, Kyler from FlexArm. In today's robotics and manufacturing, you'll see our ready robot tending our mill. It took about 2 days to switch over from our lathe to our mill, running it with our ready robot. That kind of shows you the versatility we have with the collaborative robot. It's portable, it's on casters, so we can roll it around from machine to machine, and also just the ease of programming and how quick you can set that up. Those 2 days included adding cylinders to the machine doors so they can open and close with the robot, setting up the pneumatic vices, programming the robot, programming the machine itself. All of that was at about a day and a half, 2 days max. And that was our first time too, so it'll get even quicker from there on. As you can see, we added an air nozzle to blow off the chips. This prevents any misloads or alignment issues when the robot's setting the part down in the jaws. The robot makes sure that the part is aligned in the machine by pushing against it and checking for a force. The robot will then tell the vices to clamp and move out of the way before triggering the door cylinders to close. Once the part is complete, the robot will open the doors and use the air nozzle to clear the coolant. This helps the suction grippers keep a secure grip. With the part stack being programmed into the grid, the robot knows where to pick up the next piece. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 1-800-837-2503.